I'm going to show you how you can create a game pass in Roblox. Open up the Roblox website, then you want to click on create. Now from here, from the left hand side, we need to select creations. Once we have selected creations, then you want to click on your private experience or any experience, it doesn't matter. Now from the left hand side again, you should see monetization. Click on it to expand it. And in the third slot, you will see passes. Click on passes. Now if you scroll down, you should see this blue button that says create pass. So just select create pass and you can set a name. So Game Pass name is going to be the one for me, and you can set a description for it. Afterwards, you will click on it Afterwards, you will click on create pass and it's going to appear. Now what you can do is to click on the pass itself, go into sales, and in order to set this for sale, you will toggle this button. You will need to set a price for it. Maybe I went a little bit overboard. You can also enable regional pricing and you can click on save changes. Proceed, and now you have a working Game Pass for Roblox. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.